My name is Beverly. My surname is Kapuini. I'm farming from Aminus at the village called Okokambe. Okay, I was here at the workshop for financial management. What I've picked up today is that in every aspect of your life, you need to plan. And most of us, we dwell away from planning and we spend as we earn. Planning has three things that you need to know. You need to collect all your things that you buy, and then the receipts, and keep it. And then you have to put it on a paper, what you have bought on that time and all those things, so that you know your spending and your income. Also today we need to carry our cash book. The cash book is the book that you go along where you note anything that you've spent on, for you to have a proper bookkeeping. Okay, what I can take along today is that cash is the king. So you need to budget it wisely so that it can work for you. For you to budget it wisely, you have to separate your accounts you have to have a personal account and a farming account, so that you cannot mix your expenditures. From that also, I have learned about the emergency fund in farming that I was not aware of, because whenever you have a problem, you only dig out from your pocket. But at the end of the day, you need to plan it and have it separate. When you have an unforeseen circumstances, then you take from that pocket that you noted that this is for this purpose, rather than taking from random your flows of income. We have to think as commercial farmers, although we are in a commercial farmers, because the expenses doesn't differ. It's only the area where you are in that differs. But when you think more commercial, you do business rather than you eat. You go on eating it, and it's not a business. You are just surviving on it. It's on a surviving mode. But when it becomes a business, you enjoy the profit of it. We have to run our farming, the farming activities at the commercial as a business. We have to know when to sell. You have to have a plan, like if you are selling it seasonally, you have to take it quarterly, or you do it once in a year. You have to plan this also for your bookkeeping, so that you know that this time I will have more funds, then I will buy more fodders, all those things, so that I will not suffer in the future months that are coming ahead. And the last thing that I've came off is the snowballs. The snowballs taught me that you have to put all your expenses or your debts along, and then you have to start with the small ones to pay off, so that until you have, once you pay off the small debts, you go to the second debts that is there on the list. Then you add that funds so that you can quickly finish our loans in time or before the lapsing time also. Because when you wait for, let me say you take a loan for 24 months, but at the end of the day, when you pay it in 24 months, you pay more. But when you accumulate the money that you pay from the first snowball, you take it to the other ones, then you pay less. If you have to put it also, you have to know the value, the interest, and the installments. So once you know that, you know how much at the end of the loan, how the total of it. So you have to work with it so that you cannot end at the total at the end of the loan, but pay it earlier with that strategy. Thank you.